Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The Best Little Beads is probably one of the most versatile and captivating crafting essentials you can add to your creative toolkit, offering endless possibilities for jewelry making, intricate embellishments, and unique decorative projects that truly reflect your personal style and artistic vision, making every piece a miniature masterpiece waiting to be discovered and admired by everyone. Number 5. Perler Multimix Fuse Beads PR 17000. Discover endless possibilities with this fantastic craft set. It's designed to spark imagination and provide hours of fun for everyone. This incredible jar contains 22,000 assorted fuse beads, along with reusable ironing paper. Everything you need to get started is right here. To make your designs, simply arrange them on Perler pegboards. Then, use the included ironing paper and an iron to fuse them together. Explore a spectrum of 30 different colors, including unique shades like parrot green, raspberry, and hot coral. Your designs will truly pop with this vibrant selection. This activity is perfect for children aged 6 and up, offering a wonderful way to engage in arts and crafts. It's also an excellent starting point for anyone looking to begin their bead collection. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand, this set is the ideal way to kickstart your creative journey. It provides a vast array of colors and beads to get you going. What we like? This mega set offers a vast quantity of classic fuse beads in a wide array of colors. If you are just starting your crafting journey or need a massive supply for endless projects, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for young crafters aged 6 and up who love creating pixel art designs. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted. Number 4. DICOBD 12,000 PCS Bracelet Making Kit with Letter Beads. This comprehensive set provides 24 vibrant colors of 3mm glass seed beads, totaling over 10,000 pieces. It also includes 1,200 alphabet and heart letter beads, along with 2 rolls of elastic cord, offering endless possibilities for your designs. All the beads are neatly arranged in a 24-grid plastic box, preventing any mixing and making it simple to find exactly what you need. The optimized packaging ensures everything stays secure during storage and transport, keeping your workspace tidy. It makes an ideal present for DIY jewelry enthusiasts, kids' craft activities, or creating friendship bracelets for concerts. This kit is a truly meaningful gift for daughters, nieces, and friends on birthdays or any special occasion. With a grand total of 12,000 beads, this kit supplies ample materials for a wide array of projects. You can create beautiful bracelets, necklaces, rings, waist chains, and even personalized name keychains, ensuring you won't run out mid-project. These seed beads boast waterproof colors, are made from sustainable glass, and feature a consistent size for smooth threading. Should you encounter any difficulties, our team is ready to assist you in finding a satisfactory solution. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides a fantastic selection of glass seed beads and includes a generous amount of alphabet letter beads. If you are looking to personalize your jewelry with names or messages, this kit has you covered. It's ideal for creating friendship bracelets and other custom jewelry pieces for gifts or personal wear. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 3. YITOHOP Glass Seed Beads Jewelry Making Kit. Discover the ultimate jewelry making experience with this comprehensive kit. It provides everything you need to start crafting beautiful pieces right away, making it perfect for beginners. Inside, you'll find over 8,800 vibrant seed beads, a full alphabet of letter beads, charming heart beads, and various pendants. It also includes essential tools like elastic string, tweezers, and safety scissors. This delightful kit arrives in an adorable, colorful box, making it an ideal present. All the tiny beads are neatly organized in separate compartments, with lid dividers to prevent any mess. Unleash your imagination to create stunning DIY bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and more. This versatile set is perfect for crafting personalized accessories or unique handmade gifts. Encourage hands-on development and reduce screen time with this engaging activity. Parents can join in, strengthening communication and creating cherished memories together. It's an excellent gift for teen girls aged 4 and up, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just a fun party craft. Give them the joy of creating their own unique jewelry. What we like? This kit stands out with its impressive range of 48 colors and a variety of charming accessories like shells and starfish. If you like to add unique decorative elements to your creations, this set offers plenty of options. It's also a wonderful way to encourage parent-child interaction and develop hands-on skills away from screens. What people say. Number 2. Redtwo 4mm glass seed beads jewelry making kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for jewelry making. It includes a vast array of seed beads, charms, tools, and strings, all neatly organized for your convenience. Explore a spectrum of 24 vibrant colors, perfect for all your colorful DIY projects. Mix and match these beautiful beads with your favorite accessories to craft unique pieces. Crafted from high-quality glass, these 4mm beads are sleek, shiny, and non-toxic. They are comfortable to wear, waterproof, and designed for lasting beauty. Perfect for creating bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and more, these beads offer endless crafting possibilities. They also make a meaningful and cheerful gift for loved ones on any special occasion. Your complete satisfaction is our priority. If you encounter any issues with them, please contact us. We are committed to providing a satisfactory solution promptly. What we like. This kit offers a fantastic assortment of unique charms, including evil eye beads and colorful hearts, alongside its glass seed beads. If you want to create jewelry that stands out with distinctive accents, this collection is perfect. Its premium quality, waterproof beads also make it ideal for durable pieces you can wear anywhere, even to the beach or pool. What people say. Number 1. 24,000 Mini Fuse Beads Kit, Pixel Art Craft. Discover endless possibilities with this comprehensive mini fuse bead kit. It provides everything you need to start crafting intricate pixel art and unique designs. Inside, you'll find 24,000 tiny 2.6mm beads in 48 vibrant colors, neatly sorted for easy access. Plus, we've included extra bags of black and white, the most used shades, to fuel your imagination. This kit comes with 5 durable pegboards, 4 square and 1 round, providing ample space for your creations. 2 sturdy metal tweezers are also included, allowing you to work with precision or craft with a friend. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade PE material, these beads ensure consistent, even fusing every time. Their uniform size allows for 4x the resolution of standard beads, bringing your detailed portraits and characters to life with stunning clarity. Perfect for pixel art, anime characters, or making unique candy bracelets, this kit offers a screen-free and meditative crafting experience. It's an ideal way to express yourself and create personalized gifts. Designed for ages 10 and up, it's a thoughtful present for birthdays, holidays, or any crafter who loves fine detail. This kit arrives in a gift-ready box, making it easy to share the joy of creation. What we like. This kit specializes in tiny 2.6mm mini fuse beads, offering an incredible 4x the resolution of standard beads for intricate designs. If you are a pixel art enthusiast or enjoy creating highly detailed portraits and anime characters, this is your go-to. It's a complete package with multiple pegboards and 2 metal tweezers, perfect for advanced crafters aged 10 and up. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON for extraction. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.